Hello everybody, welcome back to the table. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Leatherman Bond, and more specifically we are going to install a deep carry pocket clip on the Bond. So as it comes out of the box, the Bond does not come with its own pocket clip, although it is tapped to accept one that you can buy as an aftermarket accessory. And I imagine they did this because the Bond is more of one of their budget value tools. So it's one of the lower cost Leatherman tools that you can buy today. And so the aftermarket accessory is here. And the reason why I'm even making this video is not only to show you how to install it because it's fairly simple, but I also recommend that you actually go pick one up if you have any idea that you might want to clip in the future. And I mention this because once the Leatherman tools go out of stock or out of production, it can become very difficult to procure the pocket clip. So some of my older tools that I have, I never bought pocket clips for them, and now it's literally impossible to find them on the secondary market. So take my advice. If you think you might ever want a pocket clip on your Leatherman Bond, go buy one now and install it. So here we're just going to take it out of the package. So the package here, it came with a little installation tool, which is basically, it's like an Allen key, but both sides are T6 Torx bits. And in the package, you get the deep carry pocket clip as well as a little tab that you can use to attach a lanyard to your Leatherman tool. So it is a dual function kit, very straightforward installation. You just put the screws in on right where it shows on the handle. And so that part is easy. But really the only reason I'm making this video is to give you my advice. If you ever think you might want a pocket clip on your Leatherman Bond, go buy the kit now, because once the Bond is discontinued or out of stock, it can be very difficult, and the only place you're going to find one is on eBay for incredible markup. So that's really just the moral of the story here. So go out there and buy one if you want one. As you can see from this video, they are super easy to install. Hope you all have a great day, and check in later. I'll have more videos coming out soon. See you later. Bye-bye.